S25 Edge will come with some massive changes, and now that we have the hands-on look, things are more clear. The concept behind the Galaxy S25 Edge is clear: make the thinnest phone possible, and it actually delivers it. Now, there are a bunch of videos online about the hands-on, but the South Korean YouTuber The Sinza shared a first look of Galaxy S25 Edge. The dummy look, but it is much closer to the real phone, as Samsung already showcased before in an event. Now, this is the difference between the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the S25 Edge. Honestly, this comparison actually shows the real strength of Galaxy S25 Edge. This thing is so thin, I mean, Samsung did a good job for this. And as for the numbers, S25 Edge is rated at 5.84mm, whereas the S25 Ultra has a 8.2mm thickness. This will also make an impact on the weight of the phone. Despite being so thinner, Samsung is still offering a SIM card slot in the S25 Edge, which is about to dish in the iPhone 17 Air. The camera layout is pretty much the same as before. Being thinner comes with its own flaws: the battery issue, which I'll talk in a moment, the durability concerns, and most importantly, the heating issues. Although, if you are for S25 Ultra, a complete flagship, Samsung offers are still on, which you can avail from a prior listed in this video. Now, ICE confirmed major thing: Galaxy S25 Edge will be featuring a titanium frame. Initially, it was expected aluminum, but he confirmed titanium. And I already confirmed before, there are 3 color options, but Samsung was naming it with the titanium, which means titanium is coming. Titanium icy blue, titanium silver, and titanium jet black will be the 3 color options for the S25 Edge. According to the South Korean media, Samsung will be launching S25 Edge on April 16th, which is less than a month now, and some regions may see a 15th launch. The thing which bothers me is that Samsung is only making 40,000 units in the initial production run for the S25 Edge. Does this mean they don't have a full confidence on the S25 Edge? And it is a fairly small number, although now looking at the display and battery, I'm a little bit skeptical about the S25 Edge. Samsung will be making Galaxy S25 Edge closer to the size of Galaxy S25 Plus, and with that in mind, we don't know about the display resolution of Galaxy S25 Edge. But now, as Universe stated on Weibo, you may not know, Galaxy S25 Edge will be featuring a 2K screen, which means we are looking at exact display as S25 Plus, with a 3120x1440p resolution. The display size would be exact same as the S25 Plus, which means a 6.7 inches display. Right now, we are not sure if they would go with the Gorilla Glass Armor or Victus 2, but if they follow the Galaxy S25 Plus, then expect a Victus 2 in the S25 Edge. There's just one thing I am worried about the Galaxy S25 Edge, that's the battery size. The rated capacity of Galaxy S25 Edge battery is 3786 mAh, which will mark it as a 3900 mAh. Some also said 4000. This battery size is even smaller compared to the Galaxy S25 base model, which comes with a smaller 6.2 inches display. Smaller compared to the S25 Edge, as S25 Edge will be featuring a 6.7 inches display, as I already told you. For this big of a display, this is too small, as S25 Plus with a similar display size came with a 4900, a 1000 mAh battery difference. I'm sure the battery will be a big trade-off of Galaxy S25 Edge. Also, keep in mind, Samsung is also giving us a 25 watt of fast charging. No 45 watt like the S25 Plus, but if the battery is smaller, 25 watt won't affect much. On this note, if you find value from this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.